Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Oreo mousse cake. Start by chilling your pan and crushing 16 cookies for the crust while you soften 8 ounces of cream cheese to room temperature. Whip 1 cup heavy cream to soft peaks, fold in crushed cookies and 14 ounces sweetened condensed milk, then press into the pan. Chill for 4 hours, garnish with extra crumbs, and serve chilled for best texture and flavor. Start by pulsing Oreo cookies into fine crumbs and mixing them with 3 tablespoons melted butter until evenly moistened. Press the mixture firmly into the bottom of a 9-inch springform pan so the crust holds together when sliced. For extra stability, bake for 8 minutes or freeze for 10 minutes before adding mousse. This step prevents a soggy base and keeps neat slices when serving friends or family at dessert time. Beat 8 ounces of cream cheese until fully smooth, then add 14 ounces sweetened condensed milk and mix until combined for sweetness and structure. Whip 1 cup heavy cream to soft peaks and fold it in gently to maintain a light, airy mousse texture. Reserve some cookie pieces to fold in for crunch and garnish, but avoid overmixing so the mousse stays fluffy. Chill the assembled cake until firm for best results.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.